Hello every Hello everyone. Here, me and my teammate Gautam, we will be providing you the walkthrough of our cloud assignment, which is deploying a website through WordPress and provide enhancing the security of the website. And here we have launched our instance, and we have been allocated with a public IPv4 address, which has been highlighted. And then going down, we can see the instance type, that's T2 large, and we have again after this, well, when we scroll down we can look out that we have used the uh, Ubuntu server for enhancing the because it has an enhanced security, and we have allocated 2 GB of storage space and 8 GB of RAM, which we can see here. Yeah, we have no, two CPUs and 8 GB of RAM uh, to have a smooth functionality of our website. And then we have our instance ID. We can see the public IP address and the private IP address of us. And here we have the elastic IPs, and here we can see that our public IP that was allocated IP address that could be viewed in the elastic IP address. And here coming to the instance, the instance is Gautam and Shravan. It was created by us. And here also you could have observed that there was our IP address, and the same AMI we have used Ubuntu. This is the security and alarms. You can see that it has been checked and passed security alarms, and monitoring is happening over here. It shows about the CPU utilization, network and network out, and packets. Yeah, same. It's all about the monitoring and the security. We have given some inbound and outbound rules, and here we can see that the port number 22 80 have and 443 have been set to HTTPS, and others have been used for monitoring. And these are all the inbound and outbound rules of our security. And this is the web page that this is a website that we have created, and this is the website to which we have added the security features. And you can see the options like profile. Here we can have the login thing, which where we can log into our account, etc. And now next, we can see this is the WordPress thing where we monitor. We can go through the admin group URL where we can access the entire thing of the WordPress website. Here going for the password check, because we have used some lengthy password for enhancing the security of it. Just looking out for the password that has been saved. Yeah. Here we have the password of our WordPress login site. and logging in using the password that have been copied. And we have enhanced the security by two-factor authentication, and here we have got the OTP through which we can validate and log into our website. And now coming here, we can see the plugins and stuff for WordFence, that those are the things that we can see in the dashboard section of this WordPress thing. And these are the plugins that has been put up. They are like Jetpack, Mini Orange, uh, a- and ASCII WooCommerce. In the below section, we can see this WooCommerce as well. Yeah, there's WooCommerce, WPS site, and WordFence security. These are the plugins that has been put up. And yeah, using the Mini Orange, we have set up the two-factor authentication. Yeah, here you can see we have set up the Google Authenticator for the two-factor authentication, and here you can even download the backup codes, etc. Yeah, so this is the same as the plugins that we had installed. And now going to WordPress, it will be explained by Gautam. Thank you.
So coming to WordFence, this is our firewall where we capture the live traffic. So basically coming to the firewall. Yes, so this is our firewall where we can see all the data regarding the traffic that was blocked. Coming to blocking, this was one specific IP which we blocked, and the reason mentioned below as spoofing. Okay, so through the scan, we found out that the WordPress website lacked a certain vulnerability scan. So here are some of the results that we found. Coming down, going to the tools. So here are some of the tools that we use. So this is the live traffic, as you can see, all the access made to the website and some of the failed logins as well, as we can see here, made from India, a failed login attempt. So coming to the audit, so showing all the logs of what all happened, all the events that is summarized here, all the plugins that are activated, and this is the two-factor authentication, which is not coming. Moving on. So yes, this is the Grafana dashboard where we can see the graph which shows the 404 not found pages in the last 5 minutes. So as you can see, this is the Grafana tool that we have used. And now next, this is another graph which we discovered using Prometheus. Prometheus is the monitoring tool that we used here. So this is the graph that we got. Yeah, this is the last 5 minutes report. Right, then coming on to the Qualys rating. So the summary shows that it is A rating for the website, and these are some of the ratings as well. Coming to GT metrics, again an A rating, and some of the other information based on the web vitals, etc., showcasing the performance and all the other summaries regarding our security. This is the crux data. um, okay, this is the structure, shows the impact, and yeah, that is it. Moving on to our Kali Linux. Here we can check our nmap scan, which this is what we got after the nmap scan, showing 22 port open and 80, that is http https ports open, and 9090 port open. These are some of the ports that are open, and this is the Wireshark which we have used to capture the packets while accessing our website. As you can see, the IP address is given as the IP address of our website. So going to one of the HTTP protocols, you can see. So this is the captured packet while accessing the website. So this is all we have done in this project. Thank you.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ?